Okay, so today's game is Shooty Skies. Some of you have heard of this. Oh wow, yeah, it's crazy. Okay, whatever. So I'm loading and it's in the loading, guys. Okay, so let's play. Yep, I'm okay. I'm actually pretty good at this game. I'm actually really good at this game, yeah. I've played it a lot before. Wow, I just jinxed it. Oh, well. Okay, let's go. So, it's about to add. Yeah, that's a horrible. Those I can skip them. Yeah. Waiting to skip them ads. Them ads. Anyway, besides that, yeah, oh no, the TVs, is it the TVs? Was it? I don't get it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off! I don't think we're lifting off, yeah. Anyway, besides Drew's Edge, let's begin this. Yeah, I'm actually pretty good at this game. I hate these hats and then the pug. No, I'm a dog from a pug. No. Why? No. Anyway, that's in the past. That just looks like what? What just hit me? No. What? What just hit me? There's nothing just hit me. What just hit me? Nothing. Why? What just hit me? What just hit me? What? Yeah, my beautiful hair. What just hit me? Yeah, I should stop jinxing it. Yeah, I should. Yeah. Yeah, okay. The robots! Ugh! Yeah, so what's up? Oh, the radio is shooting stuff. That's what's up. Huh? Okay, let's go. I love this. Rocket Pug? Yes! Rocket Pug. Let's see if I can get on this. Can I get fair? Huh? Yeah, I'm getting pretty fair. Oh my god, yes. Yep. Yeah, I'm getting pretty fair. Deuce? Yes! I am the ultimate one. I am the ultimate one. I am the ultimate one. Sorry about my sister. But, so, yep, one. I don't want to watch ads. I do not want to watch ads. Yes. In 10 minutes, I'll probably be done playing this game in about 10 minutes. I probably will. Hey, what am I doing? Nothing. I probably will be done with this game in 10 minutes. So I better have a good time. Yeah. The mouth. Why is the mouth spitting at me? Spitting out a chainsaw at me. Ugh! The mouth is gonna be the chosen one to kill me. Oh no, it just did! Because that chainsaw that the mouth somehow spits out. I was pretty powerful. I was shooting bullets into his mouth because he's only a mouth. But I guess his chainsaw beats it. I mean, he died too, I think. Right? One shot. Oh. Yeah, excuse me. Yeah. Excuse the pig. Excuse the pig. Skeletons. So it's kind of glitchy. 2, 1. I'm sorry about that glitch. And I just died. Because of that glitch. This is the end of the video. If you liked it, like it. If you liked it a lot, subscribe. And this is subscribe for no meaning at all. This is bell and there. See you later on SFG, Savage Flame Gaming.